3, 2.
Hi, Thomas. My name is Sheree at Tameron Hyundai. Thank you so much for your interest in our pre-owned vehicles here at Tameron Hyundai. You chose the wonderful 2010 Jeep Liberty white in color. It's right here on my lot, but it can be right in your home as early as you have to know. The first step is for me to show you a little bit about the vehicle so you can come on in and take it for a test drive today. So come on in, let's take a closer look. As you can see, it has the Jeep Liberty iconic grill that's really popular. I love this vehicle. Has really great tires. As you go down to the side, you notice that it's been well maintained and taken care of. The interior of the vehicle is just as good as the outer. I don't know if you can see it, but it does have a sunroof. It has cloth seats, which are two-tone black and silver. Up front, it is just beautiful and it's well maintained, as I said. You can see you have Bluetooth capabilities. You have a CD player, cold air for the summer, hot heat for the winter. This vehicle, I know you saw the price on this, Thomas. It is awesome. It needs a new home. The price means it's not going to be here long. What I need you to do is come on down today and take it for that test drive. But more importantly, if you're not able to come in today, call me so we can set up a time that's convenient for you to come in and we'll go from there. The phone number here is 205-380-6250, or feel free to come on by, like I said, at 1591 Montgomery Highway in Hoover, right across from the big Wells Fargo Bank on Highway 31. You can also call and text me on my cell phone, 205-702-1029. Thomas, if you remember nothing else, I want you to remember, here at Tameron Hyundai, you're going to love the way you treat it, because I know I'll see you soon.